Hey everyone, is ElevenLabs not working? Whether you're experiencing login problems, voice generation failures, loading issues, or unexpected errors, most problems can be fixed with a few simple troubleshooting steps. In this full guide, I'll show you how to fix ElevenLabs not working in 2026. So let's get started. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. Refresh the page and try opening another website to confirm your connection is working properly. A weak or unstable connection can interrupt voice generation and uploads. Next, refresh the page. If the problem continues, clear your browser's cache and cookies for the ElevenLabs website. If you're using automatic browser translation, temporarily disable it because it can sometimes trigger client-side errors. If ElevenLabs still isn't working, open it in another browser such as Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or Safari. You can also test on another computer or mobile device to determine whether the issue is device-specific. Now verify your account status. Make sure you're signed in correctly and check whether you've reached your monthly credit limit or usage quota. Some features may stop working if your available credits have been exhausted. If audio generation fails or sounds unusual, try generating a shorter section of text, choose a different voice or speech model, and regenerate the affected portion instead of the entire project. For cloned voices, high-quality training audio and moderate voice settings often produce more reliable results. If none of these solutions work, visit the ElevenLabs Help Center and contact support. Include screenshots, the exact error message, and a description of what you were doing when the issue occurred. This helps the support team investigate your problem more quickly. For the best experience, keep your browser updated, avoid unnecessary browser extensions that may interfere with the website, use supported audio formats, and save your work regularly during long projects. These simple habits can help prevent many common issues before they happen, and that's how to fix ElevenLabs not working in 2026. Whether you're dealing with login issues, generation errors, browser problems, or account-related issues, these troubleshooting steps should help you get back to creating AI voiceovers quickly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.